This is Global World News, delivering worldwide immigration news, visa policy changes, and global updates you need to know. The Home Office has announced today that Ukrainians in the UK will be given significantly more time to apply to extend their stay under the Ukraine Permission Extension Scheme. The application window has been widened from 28 days to 90 days before current permission expires, giving eligible individuals greater flexibility and certainty about maintaining their lawful status. Image credit. Swiss federal court ruling removes job change restrictions for non-EU B permit holders. Switzerland has quietly enacted one of the most far-reaching liberalizations of its labor migration regime in years. Many cantons annotated B residence permits issued to third country nationals with conditions that effectively locked the holder to the sponsoring employer. Pakistani visitors heading to the UK, including those traveling, can now use a new digital eVisa system instead of a visa sticker in their passport, the British High Commission in Pakistan has announced. Those traveling to the UK for tourism or for business meetings will receive confirmation of their visa by email, notification, and attend a visa application centre to provide biometrics. However, successful applicants will now be issued a digital status record through an eVisa. Australian employers relying on overseas talent have just 4 months to prepare for higher visa salary thresholds. From 1 July 2026, the core skills income threshold will rise by 3.9%, with the specialist skills threshold also increasing with average earnings. The change applies to new nominations, demand, visa, and permanent residency via subclass 186. Labour agreement sponsors will also be affected unless they're different salary thresholds. Germany's lower house of parliament on 27 Feb approved 2 bills that transpose the common European asylum system into national law. The principal act introduces mandatory IDs checks on arrival, accelerated border procedure hearings for applicants from countries with low recognition rates, and a fast-track transfer mechanism for people who have already applied for asylum in another EU member state. For employers, the biggest change is that asylum seekers housed in initial reception centres will be able to take up employment after just 3 months instead of 6. Belgium court delivered a major setback to the federal government's hard migration agenda on 26 Feb, issuing an emergency order that suspends key articles of Asylum and Family Reunification Act. The interim ruling found that the contested provisions appear to conflict with EU law rights and the right to family life and the principle of non-discrimination. Stay updated with Global World News for daily immigration headlines, visa changes, and global travel news.